guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, you may be looking to become a Builderall affiliate so that you can promote our amazing software to other people, and you might be asking yourself, if I want to be an affiliate, should I join at the premium plan or should I join at the funnel club plan? And in this video, what I'm going to do is, since I've gotten this question several times, I'm going to share with you which plan you really should sign up with if you are planning to be an affiliate, so that you can fast track your way to creating a passive residual income with the Builderall affiliate opportunity. So if you want to know my thoughts on what level you should be joining at, then keep on watching. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals. Now, of course, you're going to think, well, Barb, if I'm going to be an affiliate, of course, you're going to tell me to sign up at the more, expensive plan, which is the funnel club plan, right? The funnel club plan is $199.90 to sign up. It's a one-time sign-up fee, and then you pay $99.90 a month. The premium plan, on the other hand, is $69.90 to sign up, and then it's $69.90 per month. So here's the way I look at it. If you have the intention of becoming an affiliate, then you want to do what a top affiliate would do, which is own all the products, right? I learned a long time ago from, my journey includes a lot of network marketing and network marketing training, and there was a trainer, Danny Johnson. You may or may not know her, but she would always say that you want to always, own all the products, and you always want to sign up at the highest level so that you maximize the compensation plan. Because if you want if you want to make a lot of money, right, then you want to be the first guy who is doing everything that you can to put yourself in a position to make the most money. And where are you going to make the most money? In the funnel club. Why? Because the funnel club is $199.90 and it pays 100% commission on the first sale. So right there, you're going to make $200 over $69.90. So number one, I would definitely be joining the plan that positions me to be all in. You want to be all in so that you have all the tools, and I'm not just talking about the Builderall tools, because in the funnel club plan, you get done for you tools like, done for you chatbots, done for you funnels, done for you templates, all that good stuff. And you get a lot more value in the funnel club plan than you do in the premium plan. So as an affiliate, someone who wants to promote to earn an actual income, you're going to make way more money if you yourself are on the $200 plan, because then you can turn around and confidently, right, you can share the funnel club with others because you own it, you're all in. And the last thing you want, okay, is for you to be on the premium plan and then someone asks you about the funnel club plan, and then you don't really have the authority to sell it to them because you're on the premium plan, so you don't really know about the funnel club plan. So you don't want to miss out on funnel club sales because you're not all in. So that's just my personal opinion. I believe in owning what you're promoting so that there's always like a level of, congruency with your marketing and what you're selling. And so if you want to make the most money and you want to have all of the tools in your affiliate toolbox, then you definitely want to join the funnel club. So the second thing is the premium plan is more like I consider more like a pro customer. It's someone who's not really going to be an affiliate. I'm going to tell you why. The premium plan is amazing for someone who wants to build anything that they want. They're going to get access to a bunch of tools like the e-learning and the Cheetah Builder and all that good stuff, okay? I'm talking about the affiliate who wants to own an agency. You're going to have all the done-for-you stuff there for you that is going to make it so much easier to sell websites or sell funnels or whatever it is that you want to do. as an agency owner, you are an affiliate. So you want to position yourself to have all the tools in your toolbox in order to sell, products and services at a higher level, which normally someone on the premium plan is not really going to do. Another thing is that on the premium plan, you're only going to get access to one main funnel, and it's going to be the funnel that is housed on the Builderall homepage. So whatever offer is there at the moment, that is all you're going to have access to, outside of maybe some checkout links. But if you don't have an actual funnel that talks about the premium plan or talks about the funnel club plan, and all you have are checkouts, you're going to have to fill those gaps. You're going to have to either be able to build out your own funnel that talks about the premium plan, or you're just going to have to send your traffic to the one and only funnel that you get to promote on the premium plan. Okay, so ideally the premium plan is not really the best choice for an affiliate. In the funnel club plan, you're going to get access to all the funnels. You're going to be able to promote any plan level that you want. Now, I do make it a little bit easier for my team in the sense that we have our own custom team funnel, and so if you partner with me, you'll have access to that. But still, there is still some sort of a constraint, because if you are on the premium plan, then you're only going to be able to link up to that one funnel. And so the best bet is, if you want to also be a Builderall affiliate, you go all in. You just go all in, and going all in is at the funnel club plan. So then, just from a side note, which is my third point, when I first got started online, I joined a program that was $2,000. Okay, it did not have any tools, it did not have any funnels, it did not have any software. It was just a program. And in order to promote that program, I had no idea what I was doing. So I started putting money into solo ads and Google AdWords. And by the time that I realized that it wasn't going to work the way that I thought it was going to work, I was already $5,000 in debt. Okay? So when you join the Builderall Funnel Club plan, it's $200, and you're equipped with training, with funnels, with support, with all the tools inside of our platform, plus all of the affiliate tools that you need in order to maximize the compensation plan and maximize your efforts, so that when people do join at the Funnel Club, you're going to get there twice as fast as someone who's at the premium level, right? So $2,000 versus $200 plus all the value that Builderall has. I'll tell you, I've been able to finally break through and create multiple six figures inside of this company with a tiny little itty bitty little entry level price. So in my humble opinion, if you want to be an affiliate and you're super serious about being an affiliate, making money, helping agency owners, helping, network marketers get their funnels, helping people get access to done-for-you funnels, you yourself leveraging all these done-for-you stuff, then for me, the Funnel Club is the way to go. Now, I love my premium plan members too, because my premium plan members are building their businesses, they're building their dream business online, but they're not really so much into the affiliate side, because they're focused on building their business, which is absolutely amazing as well. So this video is more for the person who wants to be a Builderall affiliate, who loves digital marketing, you love the software, you want to get this software in other people's hands, and you want to know how to make the most money inside of our compensation plan. And that is going to always be being all in. You're going to have everything you need to promote, you're going to have everything you need to build, and you're going to have everything you need to multiply your income and your results when you sign up for the Funnel Club. All right, guys and gals, well, hopefully that helped you. Anyway, if you want to learn more about Builderall and partnering with me and my team, I will have a link right below this video. You'll also get a free 7-day follow-up video series where I'll teach you more about becoming an affiliate for Builderall, the cool things you can do with Builderall. I will have all of that inside of my video series follow-up. So if you are specifically looking to become an affiliate with Builderall and you want to partner with me as your sponsor, I will have that link right below this video inside of the description box. All right, guys and gals, well, I hope that this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about Builderall, please leave them in the comment section below, or go to my website over at www.risemarketinganddesign.com and click on that contact page, send me a message, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. All right, well, that's it for me today. This has been Barbie Figueroa with risemarketinganddesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.